Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Big and ideal level of support going into tomorrow, and this is not any sort of great discovery on my part, but it's all about that pink line there, the 200 period moving average, which is currently valued right there around $19.45, give or take. And that's, a level where you can see over the course of today, after the price got back up above it right there, the price did pull back, but then after the price came downwards, you can see that that is right where the buyer stepped in. And then looking at the final 30 minutes of the day on Monday here, you can see the price isn't quite at that level, but it's definitely near it. So a lot of eyeballs are going to be watching that area and kind of wondering, is the price going to be able to repeat the history that it did right there, or is there going to be some sort of bigger movement to the downside coming? So keep a close eye on that. That'll be an important level to watch from the support side of things. In the event, though, the price does fall below the 200 period moving average, the next key level you'd want to immediately turn your attention to would be down right around $18.50, which is the low point of those couple candles right there. And then also just from more so kind of overarching point of view, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50 period moving average. Sure, right now it's valued at 1806, but it is a moving average, meaning that level is going to move and change as time goes by. But as of now, the price hasn't even violated the 200 period, so I don't want to get too far ahead of myself to the downside. As far as where the sellers are at, main resistance right now going to be right there around $20.25. If the price can push up through their next key overarching level up there at $21.15. So keep an eye on these technical levels going forward. But with all the volatility and all the headlines and all this, that, and the other, quite a bit of movement out there. But at the end of the day, price action is king. So just continue to watch price action in regards to these levels, and that'll make trading the most straightforward as possible. So let's see what happens with it. The week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.